turn power saving mode on and off on your iPhone, it's in the settings. So let's go into the settings, and then on the main settings page, scroll down to battery, and then on the battery page, we see right at the very bottom, low power mode. We can turn that on manually. The screen dims a little bit. The battery icon here, the remaining battery goes from green to orange. When I turn this off again, not green, sorry, gray apparently. And whenever it's orange, you know it's in low power mode or power savings mode. This happens automatically when your phone gets below 20%, or you'll be asked if you want to switch to low power mode, if you want to go below 20%. And then you can choose not to or choose to, but if you want to force it on your own at any battery level, this is how you do that. And if you want to block all the ads on your phone, so when you're surfing websites using Safari, there are no ads at all anywhere, this is how you do that. So check that video out next. If you got value from the one you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.